My name is Dr. V. Anil Kumar, Kakatiya Government Degree College, Hanamkonda. My subject is zoology. In this, one of the paper that is fifth sem paper, that is applied zoology. Topic is today's topic is fish seed transport. So fish seed can be transported uh, by two systems. One is open system and another one is closed system. So open system, it is generally open on the top with with or without artificial aeration, and continuously water supplying. And closed system, it is having sealed and airtight carriers with oxygen. For transport of fish seed, uh, we can main important thing is whether it is short distance or long distance. It is very important. So we have to plan according to the the distance. So, and the site of conditioning may be in a shaded area in a pond to prevent sudden changes in temperature. So for transport of fish seed, the optimum temperature main important, that is 26 to 29 degrees centigrade. The period of conditioning should depend on the size and health of post larva. So mainly fish seed transport, the instruments are used which are called containers. The containers are using transport of fish seed. So these containers are maybe boxes or which are made non-rustable wire netting of appropriate meshes, and wooden barrels, the boards with perforated sides, and enclosures of nylon netting and cloth hoppers. So there are in the transport, we are using there are several types of containers are used in the transport of fish seed, like mud pots, round tin carriers, double tin carriers, oxygen tin carriers, and tanks fitted on lorries. So the containers are transported by bicycles or boats, lorries, trains, and aeroplanes also. So this is the way of introduction of fish seed into the pond. So while transporting of fish seed, some of the reasons are there for fish mortality. One is due to the depletion of dissolved oxygen in the water, it leads to uh, fish death, seed death, and the effect of ammonia is also one of the cause of fish mortality, and effect of temperature is also one of the reason uh, for fish mortality. So these are the reasons mainly causing of fish mortality. And the containers are used in the transport of fish seed. Uh, One is most common traditional container, this is mud pot. These mud pots are used in Assam, West Bengal, Orissa, uh, for transport of spawns, fries, and fisherlings. And the mud pots can it filled with 15 liters of capacity of fish seed. So the pots are filled with water, one third of water. It will be filled in the mud pot, and after that, uh, in one mud pot, we can add 50,000 spawns are introduced. So some of the drawbacks are also there while using of mud pots. So mud pots may be during the transport may be broken. This is one of the common drawback. And while transporting, fish seed may be injured due to the shaking of parts. This is also one of the reason. And this mud pots can transport for only short distance only. This is also. And we have to, while transport of fish seed in the mud pots, we have to frequently change of water. So during that, fish mortality may be occurs. And also the water quality is also changes. So these are the drawbacks are there for mud pots. And another type of containers, they are round tin carriers. So these round tin carriers are made up of galvanized iron sheet. So this is round tin carrier is having number of small holes which are useful for uh, passing of oxygen. So this container has capacity of 9 gallons of water. So this seed is introduced into it and transported to various places by these round tin carriers. And double tin carriers are also made up of galvanized sheet. In this, there are two parts. One is outer and inner tins. The outer and inner one is slightly smaller than outer one, and can be easily kept inside the outer tin. So the outer tin is open and with handle and the inner tin is closed with a lid. So the inner tin is filled with water after keeping it in the outer tin, and then fish seed is introduced into it. So into the uh, about 6 gallons of water is uh, added for this. Double tin carriers are using mainly carrying of small number of fish seed. And another type of carriers which are oxygen tin carriers. So oxygen tin carriers are also uh, we can make the polythene bags. So this technique is also polythene bags are also in that we can transport fish seed. So by road or train or air, the polythene bags are also filled with water, seed, and oxygen, and packed in the tin, then transported. So another type of method, road transport by lorries. When in that we can keep one or two large tanks, and it is suitable for transport. It will facilitate the fish seed transport. We can transport long distance also by these lorries. So the process of packing, the fish seed is packing of seed is also very important. You can the packing uh, generally we can uh, fish seed approximately 20,000 fish seed we can take and in that bag, and we can journey up to 12 hours, and the number of fish seed is packed in a bag has to be decided depending on the distance and size of the seed. So the a tube from the oxygen cylinder is then allowed into the bag, and the portion of the bag about 10 centimeters from the top is twisted, and string is kept ready for tying. So the oxygen is then drawn in from the cylinder through the tube until 2 by 3rd of the bag is inflated. The top of the inflated bag is slightly below the top of the tin. So the packed tins are kept in cool places. So then only the fish seed it will be in that survival rate will be increased. The generally the most important thing, that is fish seed transport. The fish seed can be transported during the morning either or evening, so it will be better. It is it is suitable for this uh, time, and this is the way of packing of fish seed, and use of anesthetics in the transportation. So fish seed could anesthetize for transport of fish. Why? Because in that we can increase the survival rate so up to long period, and also we can reduce the concentration of toxic gases like ammonia and carbon dioxide in the medium, and also it decrease the metabolic rate in the fish seed. So this is importance of the anesthetics we can add in the transport of fish seed, and there are many anesthetics are there in this. One of the important one, that is carbonic acid. It is very best anesthetic and is cheap and safe and easy to use, and this is very important common this anesthetic carbonic acid. uh, so while how to add of anesthetics, approximately we can 8 liter of water in a bag containing 5 8 ml of 7% sodium bicarbonate solution, and 8 ml of 4% sulfuric acid are added to produce 500 ppm concentration of carbonic acid. So this is the carbonic acid containing chemicals. So this uh, anesthetized bag should be immediately filled with oxygen, and absorbents are also added to the medium. for eliminate of toxic ammonia, and it is important for a safeguard of fish seed uh, mortality. So for reducing of fish mortality, we can add these absorbents. There are many absorbents are there in that we are using, and this will be very useful for reduce of fish mortality. So these are the steps uh, we can follow the fish seed transport. There are These are the steps. Thank